Okay, set up for Stars Ball has begun. The littlest camera guy is on the job drinking coffee. I mean, it's a circus for the Stars Ball, and it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be so cool under the big top. Yay! There's Denny's over there working his little buns off. Been here since 9 a.m. Deserves some Beats pizza. And the whole team, Paolo, he even brought his nephew. They're volunteers. The rest of these guys are getting paid. So I just want y'all to know, Denny's and Paolo are here all day volunteering because they are awesome.